Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. In this video, I will show you how to save your mobile internet data usage. So guys, for example, you have a limited data, let's say 5 GB, 4 GB, and you don't want to go above your allotted limit. So how you guys can do it? So simply, first of all, what you have to do, you have to go into your settings option. So once you enter into the settings option, you see here there is a very first option, it says connections. Okay, so guys, enter into the connections. Okay, so once you enter into the connections, you will see an option over here, it says data usage. Okay, so just select this data usage option. So once you enter into the data usage option, you will see a section over here. For this section, it says mobile. You can see over here it says mobile. Okay, so this is all related to mobile data, and this one is related to Wi-Fi. So we are talking about mobile data because most of the time the mobile data we have, it's limited. Okay guys, so we have to go into the billing cycle and data warning option. So we enter into the billing cycle and data warning option. Okay guys, so here what we have to do, first of all, the very first option, if you see over here, it says start billing cycle on. So basically what it does, from here you can select which date of the month your billing cycle starts. So you can select it manually. Okay, so for example, my billing cycle is 5th of every month, so I will set it on 5th. Okay, so I set it on 5th. The very next option is set data warning. That's the most important thing guys, so I will show you. First of all, turn it on. Okay, so once you turn it on, you can see over here it says data warning 2 GB. Okay guys, so now I can edit it. I just click on here, and then you can see over here I can edit it to 5 GB. For example, my data limit is 5 GB, so I will set it to 4 GB. Okay guys, so you can see here I set it to 4 GB. Okay, so I set it. Okay, so once I set it to 4 GB, whenever I reach to the limit of 4 GB, I will get a warning, okay, from my mobile phone that my data limit has reached to 4 GB. Okay guys, the third option over here, it says set data limit. Okay, so I also turn this on, set data limit, and you can see here that the data limit I set here 5 GB. So guys, what it does is whenever I reach to 5 GB data, okay, my mobile data will automatically turn off. So this is really amazing feature. By this I will not get any extra charges. Whenever my data limit reach to 5 GB, the data will be the mobile data will be turned off. Okay guys, so you can also increase this data warning limit, and you can also increase this data limit as well. So for example, if you want to set it to 10, you can also set it to 10, but currently I am setting it to 5 GB for me, so you can set it according to you. Okay guys, so I set it according to 5 GB. Okay guys, so now we will go back from here, and once you go back, you will see a notification over here. Okay, so you can see over here it says 4 GB data warning and 5 GB data limit. So what it is saying is after 4 GB I will get a warning, okay, from my mobile phone, and after 5 GB data the mobile data will turn off. So guys, this is really important if you want to save your data. The very next option over here, it says data saver, so you can also turn this on. So once you go into here, you can also turn this on. So what this option do is it will save you, it will help you to cut down your data usage by preventing apps from using data in the background. So for example, if sometime the apps are running in the background and these apps consuming your mobile internet data, so this will allow you to prevent them to use your mobile internet data. So this is also very helpful. The most important thing that I told you is about this billing cycle. So billing cycle, always come here, and set your data warning and also set your data limit. So guys, these two things are most important to save your mobile data. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy the video. So if you have any question, you can ask me in the comments, guys. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.